market just did something no one expected. After months of stubborn inflation, one surprise number sent Wall Street into overdrive. The S&P 500 just broke another record. But before you celebrate, there's a twist that could decide if the next move is a rally or a recession. This week's CPI report came in softer than anyone predicted. Prices are cooling faster than analysts thought. Headline inflation dropped to 2.8%, the lowest since 2023, and core inflation finally cracked below 3%. So, if inflation's falling this fast, does the Fed finally blink? Traders erupted. The Dow and Nasdaq both shot to record highs within hours. Tech stocks exploded as investors priced in not one, but two rate cuts for 2025. But every market party has a hangover, and this one might hit sooner than you think. Right now, futures markets are screaming one thing: rate cuts are coming. Investors expect the Fed to ease by December, a massive pivot after nearly 2 years of tightening. But what if Jerome Powell isn't ready to join the party? Here's the catch: inflation's slowing, but it's not gone. Rent and food costs are still squeezing households, and the Fed might worry about cutting too soon. So is this rally real, or just a head fake before the fall? So what's the smart play now? Stay diversified and don't chase the euphoria. Tech and bonds could benefit most if rates really start dropping, but gold's dip might be the quiet buy signal. Because when the Fed finally moves, the next big shift won't just be in stocks, it'll be everywhere. So, the inflation shock sparked a record rally, but can the Fed keep the music playing? We'll unpack that in upcoming video, the hidden danger in falling rates. Don't miss it. I'm Zach here, and you're watching Finance Decoded. See you tomorrow.